Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a bit of an unpackaging video for you. I don't often do unpackaging videos on this channel just because my camera setup doesn't really let me get much in the video. So that's the reason why you won't see many unboxing or unpackaging videos on this channel. However, I do like to do them because I find them interesting to watch myself. I'll watch a lot of silver and gold unboxing videos. I find them very interesting. Now this is from Shards, which is a bullion dealer based down in Blackpool. And those of you that live in the UK would have probably brought something from this company because they are quite a well-known company and they're very competitively priced. Now a lot of websites have really increased the premiums on their 2023 Silver Britannias, and that is because the speculation going around that they are going to be worth more of a premium and there are going to be a limited mintage and all the rest of it. So a lot of websites, you will find that they've priced about the £30 mark, which is way over spot. Spot price at the moment is sitting around £16.50, I believe. So for £30 for a coin is just crazy, really. It's just taking advantage of the market. Now Shards haven't done that. They've kept them very competitively priced. So that's why I've got myself a few more from Shards. As you can see, really nice coins, nicely packaged. So that's the main thing to remember. Although these might hold more of a premium in the long term, it's also worth still shopping around. Do not pay over the odds for these coins because they're definitely not going to be worth kind of £10-20 on top of what they already are. So bear that in mind when picking up these 2023 Silver Britannias. You don't really want to be paying any more than £25 per coin, especially while the spot price is how it is. Obviously, if the spot price dips after this video has been posted, you want to be looking at paying slightly less. So just bear that in mind. Don't get ripped off. Don't pay £30 to £35 a coin for these Britannias, because although they might be a bit more sought after and potentially they could be a bit more scarce, because like I said, the king is going to be on them in the new year, just bear in mind that they're not going to be worth a hell of a lot more. And this is solely my opinion. Shards is a very good bullion dealer. I've ordered from them many times before. I'm not sponsored or anything, but do check them out. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.